Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need an Apple developer account and a matching app ID with an app purchase enabled. Open App Store Connect and create the app record, choosing the exact bundle ID used in Xcode. Then, in Xcode, attach the provisioning profile and enable the in-app purchase capability so the app can request transactions. Once done, sync your team permissions and make sure the app build number is ready. This prepares the project to accept product entries and sandbox testing. Next, you create individual products in App Store Connect, distinguish consumable versus non-consumable and subscription offerings. Assign clear product ID that match keys in your code, then choose pricing tiers and territory availability so customers see correct local prices. Upload localized titles and descriptions. Include purchase screenshots if required, because Apple reviews metadata. Make sure subscription durations and groupings are correct. Once product entries are ready, save them and use the product ID to wire purchase logic in your app for accurate requests and receipts. Finally, implement Store Kit. Request products, present the purchase flow, handle transactions, and validate receipts either on device or via server. Test thoroughly with sandbox tester accounts. Restore purchases, simulate failures, and confirm subscription renewals. Once tests pass, upload the build and submit it with your product metadata. Include reviewer notes that explain how to access IAPs. If something fails, check console logs and verify product ID match exactly. Common issues stem from mismatched ID or inactive sandbox testers, so double-check those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.